Everything you need to know about Math Olympiad? Yes, we have two Olympiads, Indian Olympiads and International Olympiads. Hi everyone. Does your child love mathematics? Does he or she enjoy solving tricky problems or puzzles? And solving math challenges excite your child? Then the Math Olympiad is the perfect challenge for them. Yes, in this video, let us learn about Math Olympiad. We're going to see types of Olympiads, the syllabus, pattern, eligibility, and preparation strategies, and many more in detail. Yes, do you know 10 million students from 70 plus countries compete in Math Olympiads every single year? Yes, and hi everyone, I'm Mamta Rupesh. As you all know me, I'm your Vedic Maths teacher. Welcome to the ultimate guide to Math Olympiads, your complete roadmap to India's national and international Olympiad journey, and how Vedic Maths can become your winning edge. Before getting into the video, please check out our Vedic Math community channels, which helps students, parents, and teachers. Links are provided in the description. Yes, so what exactly is a Math Olympiad? It's not just another exam. It's a global platform that tests problem solving, logical thinking, and creativity. The main goal is to identify and support mathematical talent, encourage advanced mathematical thinking skills. Yes, now you understand what a Math Olympiad is all about, correct? Yes, so in today's video, we are going to discuss why your child should participate in Olympiads. Olympiads not only build a love for math subject, but also opens the door for higher studies, global exposure, and future career success for students, and also boosts their analytical thinking, confidence, and also sets their mind and not just to memorize the formulas. So it's going to help you with problem solving abilities. Now you understand why a child should participate in Olympiads. Let us see the major types of Olympiads in India. So there are two main types of Math Olympiads. So in India we have these two things. One is SOF IMO and IMO. Now let's break these two major Olympiad parts. 1. Science Olympiad Foundation International Mathematical Olympiad. So this is in short called as SOF IMO, and it is the popular national Olympiad which is suitable for students from grade 1 to 12, and it is organized by SOF and held in 2 rounds. Level 1 will be conducted at their school level, and selected students from level 1 will participate in level 2. The syllabus is aligned with school math curriculum and is great for beginners and recognized at school level. And then comes the more prestigious global track. Second, HBCSE Mathematical Olympiad program. So the road to the International Mathematical Olympiad, so which is IMO, which is International Mathematical Olympiad. Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education, that is HBCSE, under the National Board for Higher Mathematics, NBHM, is the road to the International Mathematical Olympiad, which is IMO, and selects students from class 8 to 12 at various levels and trains them for national and international Olympiad competitions. This is India's toughest and most respected math route with 4 stages. We have IOQM, which is Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Mathematics. Second, INMO, Indian National Mathematical Olympiad. IMOTC, which is training camp for top students. And comes IMO, the international stage. And I want you all to make a note of these abbreviations because these are very important. So if I just ask what's IMO or the other ones, you will not understand. So better whatever I told, just make a note of them with their abbreviations and completely with those names, so that it will be very useful for your children to make use of these exams. Okay. This is the pathway for students who want to represent India on a global platform. where class 8 to 12 students can participate. Let us see all 4 stages of IMO in detail. First is IOQM, Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Mathematics. So this is held at the national level and it's a first screening level for IMO. It is jointly organized with the Mathematics Teachers Association, which is MTA, and aims to test mathematical reasoning, advanced problem solving and creativity among students. The second stage, INMO, Indian National Mathematics Olympiad. So this is the second stage of IMO screening, which qualifies students for the next level. Top scores from IOQM will participate in this level to test their advanced mathematical skills in algebra, geometry and number theory. Okay. And now let's also see the third stage. Third stage is all about IMOTC, which is International Mathematical Olympiad Training Camp. Training Camp. Yes, this is the third stage. So here IMO screening will be done by concentration on advanced problem solving ability, conceptual depth and creativity in mathematics. Qualified students from INMO will participate in this stage. So now let's check out our fourth stage. So fourth stage is all about IMO, which is International Mathematical Olympiad, and in this stage, this is the final stage where the final 6 students, the 6 qualified students from IMOTC will represent India at the international level, concentrating on solving challenging proof-based problems. Now, you understand what an Olympiad is, the types of Olympiads and what is the selection process. If your child is interested in participating in Olympiads, there are 2 ways to register for the Olympiad exams. Both primary and senior secondary students can attend the Math Olympiad exam at the national and international levels. Whether your child is preparing for school level Olympiad or aiming for IMO at the global level, here is the process. Okay, so firstly, you can register for the Olympiads via schools or their official websites. When registrations through schools, where schools will receive official circulars from the Olympiad organizations, so like Olympiad organizations like it can be SOF, it can be HBCSE, etc. Then registration forms will be sent to the schools by the organizing bodies. Students can register at the school and submit the registration form and the fee to the school coordinators. Schools act as exam centers. Yes. Then the next thing is when the registrations are conducted online. So when it is completely online, visit the official registration portal. Create an account and enter student details. Select your Olympiad and grade. Pay the registration fees online itself. Then receive confirmation and exam details by your email or SMS. So in these 2 ways, you will definitely receive the confirmations. Now, I'm gonna talk about few topics that are very important. So all the IMO stages focus on advanced topics like number theory, geometry, algebra, quadratic equations, arithmetic and progressions, functional equations, modular arithmetic, basic trigonometry, log concepts, basic inequality, modulus concept and greatest integer. So now I want you all to make a note of these topics which are very, very important. Then, now I'm going to talk about the duration. Duration of SOF IMO would be 60 minutes in total. Number of questions would be 85, where class 1 to 4 will answer 35 questions, classes 5 to 12 will answer 50 questions. Okay. Then the duration for IMO would be 3 hours and the total number of questions would be 24. Now, you understand what an Olympiad is, why it matters, what it includes and what is the process to participate in a Math Olympiad. Right? We just saw them. Now, let's talk about what really matters. How to prepare and win. The winning preparation strategy. Preparing for the Math Olympiad is not just solving tough problems and playing with numbers. It's about thinking capabilities, creativity, building strong math fundamentals and staying consistent in learning. Yes. So here's the first point to know the blueprint download. So here you have to download the blueprint, so which has the syllabus under the topics thoroughly, which is based on your class, and make a revision plan accordingly for like 12 weeks prior to your exam. Divide the topics and practice them, such as practice one math topic and one reasoning topic alternatively. So that makes you easy to learn the concepts in a flow. Second, solve past year papers. This is the secret most students ignore. Practice the previous year's SOF IMO and IMO question papers, which helps you in understanding the question types, improve speed, build exam temperament, and learning time management. That's very, very important, isn't it? Yes. Now comes the third point. Your secret weapon. Vedic math. Do you know calculators are not allowed in Olympiads? Yes. Everything depends on how quickly and accurately you calculate in the exam. That's where Vedic maths become your child's superpower. Vedic maths helps children to multiply huge numbers mentally. It starts helping you with the calculation speed, calculate squares and cubes faster, reduce silly mistakes, beat the clock with confidence. Imagine solving an entire section in minutes faster than others. That's the advantage your child needs. Olympiad math is about speed and accuracy, and it is a journey to sharper thinking and higher confidence. Yes, confidence plays a big role, and techniques like Vedic maths can drastically cut down calculation on time. Remember, it's not about the medal, it's about your mindset. And if your child wants to crack the Math Olympiad, then check out our blog on each and every Math Olympiad topic that I have mentioned. And I've also made podcasts on them. And also you can visit our website to know about the details and our Vedic math programs. So we do have like 8,000 quantitative aptitude questions, which is mostly suitable for Olympiads. And let your child be the next Math Olympiad champion. Registration links, useful resource links to download the syllabus, and previous year's question papers are given in the description. Yes, so you don't have to worry about them. I myself is going to provide all of it. So please do like, share and subscribe to our Vedic Maths channels given in the bio, and stay connected for more such important videos. Comment yes to see more videos on Olympiad specifically, and I would love to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye. Take care and all the best, my dear students.